Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, as you can see, we are flipping through this brand new sticker book, and it is called Playful Icons, and from what I am understanding, it's only in the big size. There are 821 pieces, and I found this at Target. So it was 30% off and I snagged it right up. I have no idea, and I know I'm going to get questions. I have no idea where this book came from. Like, in all honesty, it was not announced. It was not in the back to school. It was not like anywhere. I don't even know. I have no idea, but either way, it's been being sold at random Target locations and I found it. So I literally just got home and I have not looked at it. I have not even flipped it over to see what's in it. Like, you know how you can see it on the back. So I wanted this to be a first impression video. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So as I said, this is Playful Icons, and it's supposed to be for the big teacher planner. So, ooh, look at this. Okay, there are a lot of really, really bright colors. So it says, "You are doing great," and she's like holding up a scorecard. Be kind, work hard, stay humble, smile often, be happy, aspire to inspire. Ooh, this is like all science stuff. Get up and get it today. Yes, you can. And this is like a bag of all these goodies. Oh my, this is so cute. Okay, this big sunshine, these rainbows, this like an all rainbow, you got this. All these smiley faces. This has a lot of like drawings that seem like they've been sketched, you know, like it's just really cute and really fun. Oh, and then this strip down the middle of paper clips. All right, then these pencils. This kind of looks like that that jelly or kind of like rubbery pencil case that is being like for sale right now, you know. I don't have it, but it's kind of looking like it. You got this. Here's some apples. Be proud of how far you've come. Teachers make the world a better place. Teach, love, inspire. So I am not a teacher, but I used to be. I was a preschool teacher for 9 years, and I did like teaching because it was in a 5-star location. So it was like pretty legit. So I can appreciate that this is all teacher stuff, but a lot of it, you know, it doesn't have to necessarily be for teachers. Like, you can always just white out this little calculator or white out this apple. But I mean, these are really fun colors, and it doesn't even matter that it's supposed to be for a big size. So these are all boxes, and then these are individual rulers. And then here is the same sheet again, which is nice. Ooh, look at these big, huge pencils. Wow. Let me measure that. That is like a 5-inch pencil. That's crazy. Those are so cute. And then these apples. Actually, they're not pencils. They're like colored pencils because they're all a different color. And then here are smaller ones with these glasses. Those are so cute. And then this sketch page. I'm loving this rainbow. This calculator. These smiley faces are so cute. And I love that there's some more purple stuff. And then here's the same page, but it looks like they're all just much smaller. So cute. And then here's lots of different girls that are holding up so much to be proud of. You are doing amazing. Keep up the great work. Oh, and here are these girls. This girl looks like me. These girls are just much bigger. So much to be proud of, and you are doing amazing. Ooh, these are nice. So these, see, these are not even teacher related, you know? So these say priorities, and then these say important. And then these are the same, except they have gold foil. I don't know if you can see, but they're like tiny little polka dots. And then these checklists with stars. We haven't had these in a sticker book in a while, it feels like. And then these are important, reminder, today's list, priorities, due today, and don't forget. So none of those have to do with teachers. And then again, the same page, except it is gold foiling instead of white. More checklists. And these are all really good primary colors, you know, like just the good old-fashioned colors. Top 3 this week. These are really nice. And I've really, really, really been loving bigger size stickers to layer. So you can always just white out these 3 little icons. And this like standard orange, you don't see very often. Okay, then a repeated page, except it is gold foil. So that's nice. All right, here's some rainbow letters. So this is A through L, and here's M through Z. Love it. Oh, look at this. All right, so it starts from here to here. It says noted, and it's like a loose leaf sheet of notebook paper. And then down here, it's just a square. So those are 2 different sizes. So there's 4 on here, and then all these icons. Okay, same sheet, repeated. All right, and then these are all squares. And then squares with gold foil. Ooh, all right, back here. These are going to be school related. So test, field trip, pop quiz, report due. But then these down the middle just say yes. So you could always cover these up with like a different label, or you could layer them with having something over those words. Not a problem. And then this is the same. They all say the same things, except it's gold foil. All right, back here are strips. They're washi strips, but they're stickers, you know? So apples, stripes, paper clips, and glasses. And then here's some stars, gold stars. All right, and then back here are some clear. So everything, I'm almost positive. Yes, everything was sticker back. And now these 2 last sheets are clear. So teacher's gonna teach. Here's some polka dots, lesson plan, paper clips, keep it together, wake up, teach kids, be awesome. Ooh, I love this. Let me see if I can pencil you in. I love that. That's so creative. And then this globe. All right, and then the last sheet has a lot of gold foil stuff. So teachers make a world of a difference. Teach from the heart. You are doing really great. Make today great. You're capable of amazing things. Rule the world, and calculated risk. Wow. All right. Oh, I'm very, very, very pleased with this book. This is really fun. This is such unique colors and not something that we normally see, you know? Like all the oranges and purples and stuff. I really, really like it. And the fact that it's a big size kind of helps with the fact that you know, most of the sticker books are all classic sized. So I'm really happy. So again, I got this at Target. Right now it is Tuesday, June 22nd, 2021. And, you know, right now it is 30% off, but no promises. I think they're just going to hold this. Like, I feel like it's going to be like an exclusive thing. So, you know, just for like back to school kind of thing. So you're definitely going to want to keep an eye out. A little tip to maybe look online and look at each individual Target around you so that you don't just have to drive and drive and drive to see who even has it in stock. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what sticker books you would like to see a flip through, and I will see if I can get my hands on it because I love hunting for a good sticker book. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and like this video for more exclusive flip through content, and make sure you comment below what sticker book flip through you want to see. So until then, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.